le tuna kan lak lai me khi darlon khua ania he tilai veng hi pulua ye veng ania tin khi lai khi public middle school ania he lai hianin video office ania so lai so he tilai hi so forest department omna ania tin he tilai hi darlon public playground ania chuan he lai mi hi Salvation Army biakin ania heng lai veng thler phei hi veng hlun ani he lai biakin hi veng hlun Presbyterian Kaushan biakin ani he laia lo lang le hi Darlon High School ania he la hianin middle school om le a no pangte a in fiama he lai hnai mi hi primary school ani primary school thi mo chuan tiang lai hi high school veng ani lian pui lo lang hi State Bank nia tiang lai veng hi kon veng ani khi laia biakin lo lang le hi Darlon veng pui Presbyterian Kaushan biakin nia tiang lai veng hi veng pui ani apiami hi Salvation Army biakin ani le a khi lai mi khi Darlon Government Middle School ani heng lai hi mel veng ania tin a chak le tlang bok le apia lampang khi chim veng ani he lai mi hi soil department omna lam ania chuan helai hian MPI hi damdaw in veng ania solai sawn Darlon damdaw in omna ania tin a bul hi police station ani boka heng lai sukha hi kon pui ania khi lai khian sericulture anom thina an in pakhat sericulture department in pakhat khi na noi chet saka tuna hianin helai hian sericulture department an lom bokani